And it's Sangh versus Sarkar again. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat gave it back to Congress over its remarks that Sangh is not a registered organization, saying that even Hindu Dharma is not registered. Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah responded to Bhagwat and said that his government never mentioned RSS in ban. Here is a report.
आरएसएस और उसकी गतिविधियों से जुड़ने की अनुमति मिल गई, तो ये हटाने के लिए हम अभी भी मांग कर रहे हैं।
I have no problem with RSS as long as they seek permission from the government to do their activities.
A scathing attack by Congress.
Many things are there which are not registered. Even Hindu Dharma is not registered.
And now comes a hard-hitting reply. Is Sangh versus Siddaramaiah Sarkar again? RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat gave it back to Congress over its push to curb RSS activities. The RSS chief, while addressing a Sangh event in Bengaluru, gave point-by-point rebuttal to every attack by the Grand Old Party. First was the issue of banning the 100-year-old organization.
आरएसएस और उसकी गतिविधियों से जुड़ने की अनुमति मिल गई, तो ये हटाने के लिए हम अभी भी मांग कर रहे हैं।
We were banned thrice. So government has recognized. If we were not there, whom they banned?
The Congress government, which suffered setback in the High Court over RSS curbs, took a U-turn.
ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿರೋದು RSS ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅವರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಜಿಲ್ಲಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಹತ್ರ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ RSS ಅಂತ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಭಾವಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ RSS ಅಂತ. ಎನಿ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೇನು?
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಭಾಗವತ್ ಹೇಳಿದದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು.
RSS chief also locked horns with Karnataka Congress government over the organization's funding.
Everybody knows everything about a voluntary organization or an NGO of the country except RSS.
So income tax department asked us to pay income tax and there was litigation. Income tax department said, the court said, this is a body of individual. And our Guru Dakshina was exempted from that income tax.
The RSS chief said his organization stands for a Hindu Rashtra and said the Sangh could have backed even Congress if it had backed Ram Temple.
People with different denominations, Muslims, Christians, of any denomination, they can come to Sangha. Keep your separateness out. Your speciality is welcome. But when you come inside Shaka, you come as son of Bharat Mata.
Will the RSS chief's attack renew the Sangh's hostility with Congress? Bureau Report, India Today.